Well, we have seen that Google is going to launch the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. Google has revealed that. But what you probably don't know is that there could be another Pixel 7, and this could be the flagship of the flagship series, the Pixel 7 Ultra. And not just that, there could be another Pixel phone. Maybe it will not come in the same event, but it could come early next year. And this is the long-rumored Pixel Notepad/Pixel Fold, the foldable device from Google. And believe it or not, this will actually change the game in the Android foldable world. Really. So first, let me start with the Pixel 7's launch date. Now, there is an ongoing leak saying that the launch event will happen on 6th of October, which seems very logical. And also the release date is 13th of October. But what if I say that Google has hinted something different? I mean, they have posted this photo, and if you calculate, then the number comes out is 9. I mean, is it the 9th of October is event date, or is it the 9th month, means the September is when they're gonna launch or announce the phones? I mean, Google don't really have to launch the phones in October because the iPhones are rumored to come around 16th of September, so that will allow Google to launch their phone somewhere at the end of September. I mean, it would be cool. And on top of everything else, we also recently saw that the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro also got listed on FCC's website. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are coming very soon, that's kind of confirmed. Now let's come to the Pixel 7 Ultra. What we know about this? Well, a reliable leaker digital chat station on Weibo, China's Weibo, has said this. So according to him, one of the models built in China is the first foldable Pixel from Google, which would be crazy. And this might be called Pixel Notepad. We still don't know, it's still a conflicting thing, but it might be called Pixel Notepad. What it will be like is like an Oppo Find N competitor rather than a Z Fold 4 competitor. What I mean by that, it will have a 5.85-inch display rather than a 7.6-inch display of the Fold 4 from Samsung. So yeah, definitely it will be like Oppo Find N kind of looking. Now as for the other things, the cameras will be almost the same as the Pixel 5. 12.2 megapixel primary camera and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. So you're not expecting a periscope zoom system or even let's say 50 megapixel camera as like a main camera. Now the other phone that Foxconn is actually working on is the Pixel 7 Ultra, and this is going to be a new flagship phone from Google. So somewhere around $1,000 or so is what could be the pricing of it. Now this will actually compete with the Pro Max from iPhone, the 14 Pro Max and the S22 Ultra or S23 Ultra, whatever. Now this will have a Sony IMX787 image sensor. Now it is not clarified what could exactly be the specification of the sensor and how they will modify it or how they will use it, but it will be used as a secondary camera. What that could be, a periscope camera or an ultra wide angle camera. We don't know, because here's the thing. He already has said the telephoto camera will actually be a 50 megapixel sensor made by Samsung, the ISOCELL GN1 to be more specific. This is exactly the same sensor that you can find inside the Pixel 7 Pro. Anyway, other than that, we know that Pixel 7 Ultra will feature the same 2K resolution display just like the Pixel 7 Pro, but it will come with a ceramic body rather than a glass body that will make it more scratch resistant, much more heavier, but also a much premium than what Samsung is offering with their phones or even iPhones. So that would be crazy good. So maybe that's the reason why Google actually showcased the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and they are very minor of an improvement over the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So maybe Google is trying to focus on the Pixel 7 Ultra this time. Maybe that will be just crazy. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, how excited you are about the Pixel 7 Ultra. And just before the outro, if you want to check out some of the coolest wallpapers on the market, then definitely click the link in the description below, or just simply visit my website joindavid.com, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news and stuffs that matter. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.